Alright y'all, day 3, and we should be wrapping up today and be done. As you see, there's the ball of sun. It is partially cloudy today, so it keeps going in and out. It's looking good. So let me carry on this top. Alright y'all, today's the day. We're going in with Starke's Liquid Kraken ceramic coating. Just set the lid right here. Put just enough on there like that. And quickly put the bottle back in its assigned seat before it breaks. So I've already done down there. So now I'm just gonna do it just like this in just 2x2 sections. I'm going to give it about 2 to 3 minutes to cure. Make sure you keep your lines consistent. You don't want to miss anywhere. Come back through and do just like that. Where we already coated, it is so slick. I mean, I'm not even making this up. And it just really, so I am going to go ahead and get up here too. You can see. Now this isn't a glass bottle, so you want to be careful where you put it. So once it breaks, it breaks. URSOL. And then I come right up here. Go ahead, do right here too. Now if it's like really hot outside, you want to keep your sections smaller. At about 60 degrees, so this ain't a bad day to do it, but it's also going to take longer to cure. Alright, let's see where I stopped. Strong?
Yep, blowing right in the face.
Alright, now we let that cure, and then we're going to wipe it off. But you do want to try not to breathe this in because it can crystallize in your lungs. God, it's crazy when you go to wipe it off and you get that extra product off after it's cured, how slick it really is. You want to make sure you wipe in big areas, even areas where you didn't coat, so it goes on evenly. This thing is going to look amazing. Okay, that's good. Alright, here's a perfect example. It'll start giving that corduroy effect. I think that's how you say it, ain't it?
Yep.
Like the ugly brown clothes. Look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. Alright, and there you have it. No, we were not planning on ceramic coating in the bottom, but I did anyways. Only this bottom, and then the very top of the bow. Up here we were doing sealant, but I figured go ahead and do ceramic just because I wanted to see the beautiful colors on here pop with the Liquid Kraken. I really love this boat. It is so glossy with that ceramic, it's not even funny. It looks amazing. Alright. Alright, here's up here with the ceramic. A professional ceramic, may I add.